Imagine creating Hollywood-style AI videos in just a few minutes without spending a single dollar. Sounds impossible, right? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can access Luma AI for free, how to create your account, and how to start generating amazing AI videos even if you're a complete beginner. Make sure you watch until the end because I'll also share a simple tip that can help you save your free credits. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Luma AI has quickly become one of the most popular AI video generation tools because it can create realistic scenes, cinematic camera movements, and professional quality videos from simple prompts. The good news is that you can get started without paying for an expensive subscription. Let's go step by step. Step 1. First, open your browser and go to the official Luma AI website. Once the website loads, you'll see the Sign Up or Get Started button. Click on it to begin creating your account. If you're using a mobile device, the process is almost identical. Step 2. Now you'll need to create an account. The easiest way is to continue with your Google account. Simply click Continue with Google, choose your Gmail account, and approve the login request. You can also use an email address if you prefer. After successful login, Luma AI will automatically create your account and take you to the dashboard. This entire process usually takes less than a minute. No complicated setup is required. Step 3. Once you're inside the dashboard, check your account section. New users often receive free credits that can be used to generate AI videos. These free credits allow you to test the platform and create sample videos before deciding whether you need a paid plan. Keep in mind that free credit availability can change over time, so it's always a good idea to check the latest offers on the platform. Step 4. Now let's create a video. Click on the Create button. You'll see a prompt box where you can describe the video you want. For example, a futuristic city at sunset, flying cars, cinematic lighting, ultra-realistic, smooth camera movement. After entering your prompt, click Generate. Luma AI will start processing your request. Within a few minutes, your AI-generated video will be ready. You can preview it, download it, or create additional versions. Here's a quick tip. Instead of writing short prompts, use detailed descriptions including lighting, camera movement, environment, and style. Better prompts usually produce better videos and help you get more value from your free credits. And that's how you can get started with Luma AI for free and create amazing AI videos in just a few steps. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below which AI tool you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.